I got this 7.3 medium heavy Shimano Crucial M. Really like it so far. It's got a full core grip, which I really like. And most rod companies don't do that anymore. And I actually really like cork. It also doesn't have all this bling in front of the rod seat, a real seat, my bad. Which I like because I can feel the blank. And it also has, right here, it has exposed blank. So it really allows you to detect the bite on your rod, on your basic, hold on. And so yeah, but this 7.3 medium heavy, the reason I like this rod so far a lot is because the tip action on this thing is, it's got a really limber tip. I'm talking like really, it's pretty soft tip. But then the backbone kicks in and you can really pull those fish out. But yeah, I mean, this really limber tip allows me, with this little bitty jig, I can skip it and I can like roll cast really good with spinner baits and chatter baits and all that. And really like this, the length of it. Shimano did a really good job on this rod. And yeah, I would definitely recommend. No, I missed it. If I had a shotgun, we'd be having ducks for dinner. I swear. He's so aggravating. Possibly the most aggravating. I'm gonna move down a little bit. Those guys are possibly the most aggravating fishing people. Boy, look at my hair. Look at that freaking chunk missing. That's like a Ford Ranger on 50s. Yo. These fish aren't eating. That truck is on 50s, I swear. The truck is ridiculous. Ridiculous, Dave. Ridiculous. Just ridiculous. My eyeballs pop. Hey, lady. Screw you. Gonna look at me funny? I'm gonna get you in the video. That's what I'm gonna do.